everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a delicious air fryer recipe. Lemon pepper chicken thighs in air fryer. Without wasting any time, let's get started. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. Chicken thighs, this is 3-pound chicken thighs, and these are boneless and skinless. If you have a skin on and with the bone, you can use that also. So these are washed and drain the water. I put it in a strainer. So if there is any more water, it will drain out. 3 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, 1 green chili, half onion, then rosemary. This is the fresh rosemary from my garden. This is my rosemary plant. It's huge, very big plant. Whenever I do cooking, I always get my fresh rosemary from here. So we're going to cut some rosemary from here. When you have rosemary or any herbs, so you always can get fresh. It smells so good. This is my lemon tree. All those fresh lemons. So whenever I need a lemon, I just take it out from my garden. It's a good thing having a fresh fruit at your home. 2 of these I did finely chop. Then we're going to use 1 lemon, Kashmiri mint, and this is a red food color. This is strictly optional. If you don't want to use it, please skip it. Then spices from Masala Dabba. We're going to make a smooth paste. So I'm going to get a food processor. We're going to place garlic, ginger, green chili. This is really finely chopped. I'll cut the onion into smaller pieces. So it'll fit into our small food processor. This is perfect. And then the lemon. It's a good idea to use the sieve. If there is any seeds, you can catch it. These lemons are seedless, but sometimes you get the seed inside. I'll squeeze the other half. These lemons are full with the juice. If your lemons are not full with the juice, then use 2 of these. We're going to place the cover and we're going to start it. We're going to open it and we're going to make sure that we scoop out and put it inside the big ones. And the same thing we're going to do it on the side. And we're going to run it one more time. And now I'll put salt, 1 teaspoon. Salt is always to taste. 1 teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder. You can use any spices, whatever spices you like. And Kashmiri milk, 1 teaspoon. And the food color. This is the red food color, and this is in a liquid. So we're going to use like 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we'll place it and we're going to run it again. it's all done. Our marination is ready. And now we'll take this one out and I'll get a mixing bowl and we'll place it inside. Get a mixing bowl. So we're going to bring our marination into the mixing bowl. So if we check our marination, this is nice smooth marination. Now we'll add the chicken pieces. So we're going to make sure that it's nicely marinated. So mix it well, make sure that all the pieces are nicely coated with all the spices. Now place the cover. You can put a plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for 2 hours. The longer the better. If you do marination for at night time, like 8 hours, in the morning time you cook it, that is the perfect. But I'll do marinate for 2 hours. So I'll place it in the fridge. Chicken thighs are marinated for 2 hours. We're going to mix it one more time. Now we'll place this one into the air fryer. So I'll open the air fryer. Place chicken thighs. This is a good thing about these boneless chicken thighs. You can fold them just like this. So we'll place the last one. This is the leftover marination. We're going to put it on top. So scoop out all the masala. Look at how beautiful the chicken looks inside the basket. And we're going to place the rosemary. I'll bring the air fryer so you can see it. We're going to place the basket. We're going to turn it on and we're going to look for the chicken. These are preset timing. The chicken at 20 minutes at 360 degree Fahrenheit. So the temperature is 360. I'm going to make it 400. So now it started at 25 minutes and as you see the temperature is 400 degree Fahrenheit. So now it will be start cooking and after 25 minutes, once it's going to be done, 15 minutes we're going to take it out. We're going to turn the pieces over and then on the other side, we'll cook for additional 10 minutes. So within 25 minutes, it will be well cooked. We are done with the 15 minutes, 10 more minutes to go. So I'm going to open it. Wow, look at this. It's beautiful. Let me pull the air fryer back. It's looking beautiful. Look at it. Really nice. Now I'm going to turn these over and these rosemary, wow, it smells so good. And now we're going to turn these pieces over just like this. If you see, we got the crunchy texture on this side. Now we're going to get the crunchy texture on the other side. So now you can see it. So all the pieces are turned over and now I'm going to bring the air fryer next to you so you can see it again. And we're going to put it back again. And we're not going to do anything, it will start automatically. and the 10 minutes left in the same temperature, 400 degree Fahrenheit. So it's going to keep cooking for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, once it's done, then we're going to take it out and we're going to enjoy lemon pepper chicken in air fry. One more minute to go. We're almost done. It's off. That's the final beep, and we are all done. I will open it and I will show you. Let me pull this one back a little bit. We'll unplug it. Now I can open it. Wow, so beautiful. Very nice. Lemon pepper chicken thighs in air fryer. I have my serving plate ready. These are very delicious. Nice and moist, juicy chicken thighs. Within 25 minutes, these are all done. Let me share with you. Very quick and easy and delicious air fry recipe. Lemon pepper chicken thighs. Please try it and you're going to like it. This is oilless, oil-free cooking. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.